Welcome back, everybody. This is more American or, random food taste testing. Today we have some Popz microwave popcorn wasabi flavor. I have no idea what this is going to actually be like. So it kind of smells like, just kind of regular popcorn with some spiciness to it. I have no idea if this is going to be strong wasabi or if this is just regular, but let's have a look. What that is just kind of plain popcorn with some wasabi flavor. Let me see. Let me just kind of get a bit further down and see. Yeah, so that's just regular popcorn with a slight hint of kind of spice. Well, that was pretty good. See you soon.